What's up, guys? If you're tired of guessing your pool's water quality with traditional test strips, a good digital pool tester can make checking pH, chlorine, salinity, temperature, and other important levels much easier. In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best digital pool water testers in 2026, from simple handheld meters to smart Wi-Fi models with app monitoring, alerts, and continuous water tracking. We compared testing accuracy, number of parameters, ease of use, app features, monitoring options, battery performance, and overall value to help you find the right tester for your pool, spa, hot tub, or saltwater system. All product links are included in the description below, so check them out for the latest prices and availability. Now, let's jump straight into the countdown. Number 5. LKBIRD 7-in-1 Smart Pool Salt Tester and pH Meter. Starting our list at number 5 is the LKBIRD 7-in-1 Smart Pool Salt Tester, a rechargeable digital water tester designed for pools, hot tubs, spas, aquariums, and hydroponic systems. This compact tester measures 7 water parameters, including pH, ORP, EC, TDS, salinity, specific gravity, and temperature. According to the listing, readings are delivered in around 3 to 5 seconds, with pH accuracy rated at plus or minus 0.02. One of its most useful features is Bluetooth app connectivity for both iOS and Android devices. The app lets you view real-time measurements, track water quality trends with charts, organize readings, and export reports. The tester also includes automatic temperature compensation from 32 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, helping maintain more consistent measurements as water temperature changes. A backlit LCD screen and hold function make results easier to read and save. Its built-in rechargeable battery is rated for more than 100 tests per charge, and the package includes pH 4.00, 6.86, and 9.18 calibration powders for routine calibration. Pros: measures 7 water parameters. Bluetooth app with charts and saved data. Fast 3 to 5 second readings. Plus or minus 0.02 listed pH accuracy. Rechargeable battery with 100 plus tests per charge. Cons: requires calibration for accurate pH testing. App features depend on Bluetooth connectivity. No detailed waterproof rating is provided. Overall, the LKBIRD 7-in-1 combines multiple testing functions, smartphone connectivity, rechargeable convenience, and fast measurements, making it our number 5 pick for the best smart pool water testers of 2026. Number 4. Terronix 7-in-1 Smart Floating Pool Water Tester. Coming in at number 4 is the Terronix 7-in-1 Smart Floating Pool Water Tester, a Wi-Fi-enabled monitoring system designed for pools, spas, hot tubs, and saltwater systems. This floating tester measures 7 important water parameters, including pH, free chlorine, salinity, TDS, EC, ORP, and water temperature. Because it stays in the water, it can provide ongoing monitoring without requiring you to perform a manual test every time. One of its biggest advantages is Wi-Fi connectivity with the Tuya mobile app. You can check water quality readings remotely and receive alerts when measurements move outside your selected range. For power, the unit combines a built-in solar charging panel with USB backup charging, helping reduce the need for frequent manual charging during sunny weather. The floating waterproof design is built for continuous monitoring, and the app supports multi-user access, allowing family members or pool service professionals to view the same water quality information. Pros: measures 7 water parameters. Wi-Fi monitoring through the Tuya app. Real-time alerts for abnormal readings. Solar charging with USB backup. Supports multiple app users. Cons: USB port and power knob must be sealed carefully before use. Larger and heavier than handheld testers. Customer rating is relatively low at 3.4 stars. Overall, the Terronix 7-in-1 offers continuous floating monitoring, Wi-Fi connectivity, solar charging, and multi-parameter testing, making it our number 4 pick for the best smart pool water testers of 2026. Number 3. UMIAK 7-in-1 Digital Pool Water Test Kit. Taking the number 3 spot is the UMIAK 7-in-1 Digital Pool Water Test Kit, a simple electronic testing system designed for swimming pools, hot tubs, and spas. Instead of making you compare test strip colors manually, this tester uses a light-based sensor to read the included strip and display clear results on its 2.4-inch screen. It measures 7 important water parameters, including total chlorine, free chlorine, bromine, total hardness, cyanuric acid, total alkalinity, and pH. Testing is also quick. Simply dip the strip for around 2 seconds, remove excess water, and insert it into the reader. The system provides results in about 15 seconds and clearly shows whether each reading is in range or needs attention. No smartphone or app is required, and the unit is factory pre-calibrated. It can also store up to 100 previous results, making it easier to compare water conditions over time. The package includes 150 compatible test strips, and the tester can run on 3 AA batteries or USB-C power. Pros: tests 7 water parameters. Digital display removes color guessing. Fast 15-second testing. Includes 150 test strips. Stores up to 100 previous results. Cons: still requires disposable test strips. AA batteries are not included. USB-C power does not recharge batteries. Overall, the UMIAK 7-in-1 combines easy digital readings, quick testing, and a large supply of included strips, making it our number 3 pick for the best smart pool water testers of 2026. Number 2. LKBIRD 7-in-1 Smart Pool Water Monitor. Coming in at number 2 is the LKBIRD 7-in-1 Smart Pool Water Monitor, a floating Wi-Fi tester designed for continuous water quality monitoring in pools, saltwater pools, spas, hot tubs, and ponds. It tracks 7 important parameters, including pH, ORP, free chlorine, salinity, EC, TDS, and temperature. The listing says its upgraded sensors provide stable readings while reducing the need for separate testing tools or frequent test strips. One of its biggest advantages is 24/7 automatic monitoring, with up to 680 data updates per day. The readings automatically sync to the mobile app, where you can check current conditions, review historical trends, and monitor your pool remotely. The app also supports custom alerts, so you can receive notifications when selected water readings move outside your preferred range. For outdoor use, the tester features an IP68 waterproof floating design with shock-resistant construction. It also includes a rechargeable lithium-ion battery with USB charging, helping reduce the need for disposable batteries. Pros: measures 7 water parameters. Wi-Fi remote monitoring. Up to 680 data updates per day. Custom water quality alerts. IP68 waterproof and rechargeable. Cons: requires Wi-Fi and app setup for remote features. Larger than handheld testers. Battery runtime per charge is not specified. Overall, the LKBIRD 7-in-1 provides continuous monitoring, remote app access, smart alerts, and broad water testing capability, making it our number 2 pick for the best smart pool water testers of 2026. Number 1. Hofen 5-in-1 Pool Salt Tester and pH Meter. Taking the number 1 spot is the Hofen 5-in-1 Pool Salt Tester and pH Meter, a compact digital water tester designed for swimming pools, saltwater systems, aquariums, spas, hot tubs, and hydroponics. This meter combines 5 testing functions in one device, including salinity, TDS, EC, pH, and temperature. That makes it useful for checking several important water conditions without needing multiple separate testers. For salinity testing, the Hofen meter can display results in ppm, ppt, or percentage, making it easier to read different salt concentration levels without manually converting between units. The tester uses a titanium alloy probe and is designed to deliver quick water quality measurements. Its salinity range covers up to 9,999 ppm before automatically switching to ppt for higher concentrations. Operation is also straightforward. You simply power on the meter and use the mode button to switch between its different testing functions, making it practical for regular pool and aquarium maintenance. Pros: 5-in-1 water testing functions. Measures pH, salinity, TDS, EC, and temperature. ppm, ppt, and percentage salinity displays. Wide salinity testing range. Compact and easy to operate. Cons: does not measure chlorine or ORP. No Wi-Fi or smartphone app. Designed for manual testing rather than continuous monitoring. Overall, the Hofen 5-in-1 combines useful water testing functions, simple operation, and flexible salinity measurements in one compact device, making it our #1 pick for the best smart pool water testers of 2026.